Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Switching from Windows to Mac involves adapting to a new operating system and learning new ways to perform familiar tasks. So today we are here with everything you need to know to make the transition smooth and enjoyable. So let's get started. You can see the user interface overview on your MacBook. You can also find the Finder, the macOS equivalent of Windows File Explorer. Open Finder by clicking its icon in the dock, and also Sidebar provides quick access to location like iCloud Drive, applications, documents, downloads and external drives, whereas Toolbar contains buttons for navigating, searching and organizing files. Now, for installing apps in MacBook, you can open the App Store from the Dock or Applications folder and browse or search for the apps and tap on the Get or the Price button to download and install it. You can also download applications from developers' website and open the downloaded DMG file and drag the app to the Applications folder. Now, the other best feature of the Mac is Time Machine. Time Machine is a built-in backup feature on macOS that allows you to automatically back up your entire system, including apps, music, photos, emails, documents, and system files. So, in order to use that, simply tap on the Apple icon available in the top left corner of your Mac screen. Then simply tap on the System Settings. And inside the System Settings, look for the option General. And tap on the General. Now inside the General you'll get to see the Time Machine option available there. Tap on it. So you can see the Time Machine here. You can simply set it up and use it. Now the other one is Spotlight Search. Spotlight Search is a powerful and versatile feature in macOS that allows you to quickly find and access files, applications, emails, contacts, and more. So in order to use that, simply tap on the Command keyboard and Space keyboard. This will open the Spotlight search bar in the center of your screen. And you can simply tap on the query box and search for the things you are looking for. Now, the other important feature is Apple ID. Your Apple ID is an essential part of your using macOS as it connects you to various Apple services like iCloud, the App Store, Apple Music, and more. Simply open the System Settings and click on the Apple ID and provide the required information including your email address, password, and security questions, and verify your email to complete the setup. By managing your Apple ID effectively, you can ensure seamless access to all the services and features Apple offers, enhancing your overall macOS experience. Now, the other useful resource of the macOS is Help feature for finding information and troubleshooting issues. In the menu bar at the top of your screen, you can simply click on the Help. This menu is available in most macOS applications. So after you tap on the Help, you can type keywords or questions into the search bar to find relevant help articles and documentations. By using the Help feature effectively, you can quickly find the information you need to resolve issues, learn new features, and make the most of your Mac OS experience. By understanding these key aspects, you will be able to navigate and use a Mac more efficiently, making the transition from Windows smoother and more enjoyable. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.